What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Santa Claus from A Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left I'm going to draw a small black dot, and then line that up on the right side. Now I move down and draw on the bottom edge of the nose, starting on the left, curve this down, and then up. Now I want to move up and draw a curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Along the bottom, let's add two small half circles for the nostrils, and we'll fill those in black. Let's add some thick eyebrows along the top. Start with a curve, and it'll round up the ends, coming back in towards the top. And we'll close off the top with that same curve. Now we move out to the side of the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the hat, starting on the left. We're going to go up above the eyebrows, go across, and then bend that back down. Now I want to curve the beard coming down and then in toward the side of the nose. So we come down, around the cheeks, and then up. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to add an oval for the mouth, going around and back up. And I'll split this in half with a straight line going across the middle. Let's add a small fold underneath the eyes. And I'm going to add some wrinkles along the outside. Start with one straight line going out. Step down, just angle this down and out. Let's go back to the side and draw the outside edge of the beard. We're going to start with the left side at the very top. Go around, come down, and go all the way across towards the bottom right. Let's go to the top right, come out. I'm just going to pull this in and then bend that out towards a point. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw the top edge of the hat brim. Starting on the left side, bend this around, and go up in the middle, go across, and then bend that in on the right. Now let's tuck the ears in behind. Starting from the side, go around, and then in. Now let's go back up underneath the earlobes and draw the outside edge of the body. We're going to start on the left. We're going to bend this out, bring this all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going out and then bending that down towards the same height. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Coming down the middle, across, and then back up. Let's add a trim across the bottom. So we're going to step up and follow that same curve going across. Now I want to draw the top of the hat coming down around the right side. So let's start on the left side of the hat. We're going to go up in the middle, round this out. And now we're just going to come around the right side of the head, come all the way down towards the bottom, and I'm just going to bend that out. Let's bend this back in towards the side of the body, and we'll add a circle on the end. Let's go up to the top right. We're going to add a fold, going up and then in. Now I want to place the arms along the side of the body. Let's start on the left, bend this down, and then in, line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and bend that up around that bracket. Let's add 2 more fingers, starting from the bottom, coming down and up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go all the way around and just pull that up towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw the top of the glove. We're going to step up, curve this up and then in, step up, and draw that again. Let's line that up on the right side. Now I want to layer the belt in behind the arms and the beard. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to bend this down and in, continue along the inside. Let's go all the way over towards the right, going out and up, and out towards the side. Now I'm going to step down and draw that again. and then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Sandy Claus from A Nightmare Before Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.